If you're running Facebook ads related to credit card offers, auto loans, job offers, or real estate listings, you might have noticed that Facebook has added new special ad category. Hey, Alex Litvinchuk is here. Welcome to this video, and if you want to learn how to set up your Facebook ads the right way so they will not get disapproved and to get your ads actually approved every single time, in this video I'll show you how to set up your ads with a special ad category so you can avoid all the headache and get your ads approved every single time. And I'll show you some compliance tricks, how to what you can do to start using this category and run your ads in this category so they will be as effective as it was before. And I'll show you also how you can actually set up your ads so your ad account will not get shut down, because after Facebook released this new feature, special ad category, a lot of people don't know how to start the right way, and they getting the Facebook ad accounts shut down every single time. So if you want to learn this, in this video I'll show you how to start the Facebook ad using special ad category, and we're gonna go ahead and create our first ad, and we'll talk about how the special ad category works, when you need to use it and when you don't have to use it. So with that being said, let's just dive right into today's video. Alright, before we get into an actual ad creation, first it's very important to understand when do you need to select a special ad category right here, and when you do not need to select this. So let's start with right here. So as you click, as you see, this is the new feature, special ad category. So we have here three options: credit, employment, and housing. So if we're gonna click here on help, right here it says choosing a special ad category, and Facebook, here's what Facebook says. Facebook says special ad categories, it's a credit opportunity, employment opportunity, or house opportunity, or related services. So it says ads that promote or directly link to a credit opportunity, including but not limited to credit card offers, auto loans, business loan services, mortgage, and long-term financing. This also includes brand ads for credit cards that include specific credit offer. So what does it mean? It means that the moment when you run your ad and you directly linking in your ad to a application, credit application or mortgage application or auto loan application, when you have direct link in your ad, that's when you need to select this category. And let me give you a real life example. So right here, for example, this is if you would use this link, for example, getting someone approved for auto loan financing through a Capital One bank, for example, right? And you would use this link. Let me actually go back and I'll show you better. So right here, if you go and choose, get pre-qualified, and you use this link in your ad, and you would drive traffic from your ad directly to this credit app to getting people pre-approved for auto loan. This is when you need to select and use this special ad category. However, if you do not directly linking people to a credit application, whether it's auto loan, mortgage loan, or a real estate listing, you do not need to select this category. This is super important because I see so many people reaching out to me and asking why my ads are getting disapproved, even though I'm not, when they were linking people to a credit application. So it's so important to select this when you driving traffic to a credit app. The same exact way it works if you're linking people to or mortgage application or real estate listing, right? So if you will select here housing, and we're gonna go and drive traffic, let's say here for buying a home application, like mortgage application, right? So if you're gonna do that, you need to select the right category when you're creating your ad. For example, in this case, we would choose housing, right? And then in our ad, we would send traffic to this mortgage application. Now, if you would use send people to a auto loan application, you would choose the first one. It says credit, right? Or if you have running ads related to employment, job offers, maybe certification programs, or if you sell digital courses online, you would select the second option where it says employment. So this is the difference when you need to actually select one of those categories when you're creating ads. However, I want to give you a few ninja tips that you can actually avoid, setting up this, setting up this and selecting this special ad category. So it will give you more targeting options and more freedom when you selecting and creating your ad creative and your targeting. So here's the tip: if you're running ads for for dealerships, and you or credit card offers, or again real estate listings, if you're real estate agents, doesn't matter. If you run ads, do not directly send traffic to your offer. Create a lead magnet. And this is something that you can create as a simple, could be an ebook with, if you're real estate, could be an ebook of different listings. So you can give away people, run ads on Facebook to the, so people can download your ebook. So now it's not a special ad category because you just are running ads to let people download your ebook. The same with if you're running ads for dealerships, right? Do not run ads directly to credit app. Set up a simple funnel and collect prospects information like phone number, email, and if you need help to set up any of those ads, comment below under this video and I'll help you out. So this is going to be much easier for you, because I'm going to be showing you right now why is using this special ad category, it will give you some restrictions when you're creating ads in this, when you're using special ad category. So with that being said, let's just start creating an ad and I'll show you what type of restrictions it gives you. So that's why, again, I would recommend always do not directly link into any of those employment opportunities or credit offers or housing. I will always suggest you using either some type of lead magnet or have a funnel, build up a funnel that will not actually be credit offer or mortgage application. Create a funnel where you can collect information of your prospects so you can remarket to them, and then when you need them, if they qualify, send them to the credit app or mortgage application, auto loan application, credit card offer. So there is a lot of ways around this. So first, let me show you how to create, let's say, an ad when you running ads for, let's say, for a credit card offer or auto loan. So let's say for dealerships. So if we're gonna select the first one for credit because it says auto loans. So now we're gonna, for our example, we're gonna go and create an lead generation ad. So we're gonna scroll down right here, and we're gonna give our name auto loan. So let's say in this example, you decided to directly link people to your auto loan application. So from here, you're gonna click on continue, and we're gonna go into ad set level. This is where we're gonna create our ad. And here's the difference when you create an ad in special ad categories. So as you see right here, we have ad set name. Here's you're gonna go ahead and choose your page. Then we're gonna scroll. So the difference when you create it with ad category, that Facebook do not allow you using lookalike audiences. So if you lookalike audiences, basically, if you don't know, it's simply very similar to your existing customers audience, the Facebook that you can create within Facebook. So when you select in special ad category, it will not allow you using that audience. However, you can still run your custom audiences retargeting campaigns, right? So as we're gonna scroll, so this is the first difference. The second one, it will only allow you certain locations and only 15 miles radius around certain locations. So for example, if I want to run ad in Austin, Texas, right? I can do that. So I can select certain cities or address where you want to run your ads. However, it only will set 15-mile radius around that location that you will select. So as you see, it also says right here, zip code selection is not unavailable. Location selection must include all areas within 15-mile radius of any select city, address, or drop pins. Now, the main difference with special ad category that it's excluding all the majority of detailed targeting, such as demographics and behaviors. It only let us target people but based on interest. So as you see, now we only have interest here, and we cannot target people by demographics, when we could before with financial and behaviors. So we only have option. It also says right here, some detailed targeting options, which may include demographics, behaviors, or interests, are unavailable. So that's why you can only target people by interest. However, again, if you're running ads in this related to credit cards, employment, or real estate listings, it's more than enough for you to still get leads, even without super hyper targeting. And this is all you need. As long as you have enticing offer and you know how and your ad is set up the right way, you should be good with even with this type of broad targeting, right? When you just have location and or maybe when you do retargeting ads, this is more than enough, because Facebook is such a huge machine and will optimize your ads and should deliver your ads to the right people so they will convert. So if you're gonna do set up your ads in this category, again, this is how you're gonna do this. This is the only difference when you're setting up ads, which is right here within your audience targeting, and that's it. And then again, as you're gonna scroll down here, I usually recommend to go with edit placements. So I usually go on mobile, because 90% of people right now on mobile, especially when they're on Facebook. So then I would recommend you to set up your ads within Facebook newsfeed, or if you want to also run on Instagram feed. I usually recommend to my students setting up 2 separate campaigns for Facebook and for Instagram, so you can read the data easily and optimize your ads based on different platforms, right? So we're gonna unclick stories, we're gonna unclick streams and in article, and that's it. Then here you will set up your budget, and then on the next page, this is where you're gonna go and create your ad. And this is pretty much the exact same process as it was without special ad category. And right here you go ahead and select upload your image and create your headline, description, and then you're gonna click on set up your lead form if it's a lead generation ad, and then you're gonna click confirm, and that's how you would set up an ad in a special ad category. However, again, I would highly recommend you do not directly link people to credit opportunity, to credit offer, either to your client website or maybe it's your business website. So do not do that. Rather, set your campaign the right way, the smart way, without direct linking. So then you would have much more freedom and options when you're creating your targeting. So you could use lookalike audiences, which are super powerful. So again, if you're setting up in special ad category and you driving traffic directly to your application, again, don't forget to set up and choose this special ad category, because then Facebook will automatically disapprove your ads. So this is how you go ahead and select, and set up special ad category, Facebook ads in the special ad category. This is everything you need to know. If you would have any questions, comment them down below. I personally review every single comment, and I'll make sure to help you out. If you need anything, comment below. And if you found any value in this video, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. I'm releasing every single week videos on Facebook ads or overall on digital marketing. So make sure to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and join the family. So guys, this has been Alex Litvinchuk. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.
Yeah, call my place the kingdom.